Powers.
Mukwala.
I call it trademark celebration, but in your last 2 games where you scored, we seen you trying to hold. What was that celebration? Where from that? And is it a new one? What's the story behind that?
Okay, yeah, that celebration I can't really tell, but there's a funny TikToker. Yeah, he's a Ghanaian based in Kumasi. I really enjoy his funny videos. So,
do you know his name?
Not really, but he calls himself Soa.
Soa.
Yeah.
Is it Asafo Powers?
I think so. Maybe that guy. Yeah.
So your celebration is
but I have Bonsu is the most supportive guy, so he always try to bring it out. Sometimes I click out, I forget. Yeah. So Bonsu will try to bring it out, and so that we can perform it. Sometimes it's late, all that stuff. Yeah.
So the new celebration is because of your love for Asafo Powers.
Asafo Powers, yeah. He's a really good man.
Because he who's his son and
Taba left now. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know the meaning, but I just hear Taba left. I really enjoy that.
All right.
Yeah.